How to create a self-guided walking tour with Wander. The first step is to find your first point of interest and add it to a new list. Then repeat for the remaining points of interest. Once all of your points of interest are added, open your list and open the settings. Make sure to check Tour. Next, download the QR code and your self-guided walking tour is ready to share. When a visitor scans the QR code, they will be redirected to the App Store to download the Wander app. Wander will then automatically open to your walking tour and will guide the visitor along the walking route to the first stop on the tour. The visitor then has the option to play a video to learn more about where they are. Then the visitor can click Next to get directions to the next stop.